In this video, I'll be showing you how you can allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Google Chrome. Then from here, you need to go up here to the right hand corner and click Customize and Control Google Chrome. All the three dots up here. Then from here, you need to go down to Settings. Click on this. Then from here, you need to go over to Privacy and Security. From here, you're gonna get this page. And here you're gonna click Site Settings. From here, you can scroll a little down until you find Camera. Sites can use to ask for your camera. Click on this. Then from here, you have the opportunity to select all the cameras on your computer. And as you can see right now, I only have my OBS virtual camera. I can select this one. And down here, it's called Default Behavior. And this basically means sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. And here you can select between sites can ask you to use your camera or don't allow sites to use your camera. This basically allows them where you can not automatically but manually select that you want this site to use your camera. And if you click don't allow sites to use your camera, then that feature won't appear and the sites will never have the opportunity to use your camera. Simple as that. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!